all, welcome back. This is our ninth video of our robotics learning journey. Today we are going to make a buzzwire game using our BBrain and codeit. This is a fun and challenging game where players have to guide a metal hoop along a wire without touching, or else they will hear a loud buzz and have to start over. First, let's set up the hardware. To make this game, we will need a BBrain, a length of wire, a metal hoop, and some alligator clips and codeit app to program. Now let's make it ready. This is a length of wire which I bent and fixed into this thermocol. Actually, not me, with the help of my brother. And this is a metal hoop which I made with the same type of wire. And these are some alligator clips with which we make electric connection. Now I will introduce a new feature of our BBrain, which are these extension pins. These extension pins helps us to read and write data or signals. This is pin 0, this is pin 1, pin 2, 5 volt and ground pin. And we are going to use the pin 0 and ground pin for our game. We will connect the guide wire to pin 0 on the BBrain and the metallic hoop to ground. We will use the alligator clips to connect. And if we detect a connection between pin 0 and ground, we sound the buzzer. Now let's program and make it work. As usual, go to the basic section and drag and drop the forever do block. Then go to the logic section and drag and drop the if block and the compare block. These codes are pretty familiar, right? Next, let's learn something new. For that, go to the button section and drag and drop this block, pin 0 read digital. This block here, digital read, reads the digital signal given to the provided pin. Here it is pin 0. So the value of this block will be true if we connect the pin 0 to 5 volt, and the value of the block will be false if we connect pin 0 to ground. If there is a connection between pin 0 and ground, the value will be false. Since we connected our metal hoop to ground, we have to check if it's false. For that, go to logic section, drag and drop this true block and change it to false. So what should happen if it's false? We should sound the buzzer, right? For that, go to music section and drag and drop this play note block, and we can change the note C3 to C5. And to make it even more interesting, let's add an image. For that, go to the display section and drag and drop the show image block and change it to set. So all this code will run if the reading of the pin 0 is false. So what happens if it's true? For that, let's make an else statement. Click the small settings icon and drag this here. It will be visible here. In the else statement, we will just add a happy image. For that, again, go to the display section, drag and drop this show image block and change it to happy. Here it works. The player holds the hoop and guide it along the wire, and if it touch the wire, the sound you can hear the sound and you can see the sad face. Let's try it again. You can hear the buzzer and you can see the sad face, right? Now I'll show you how to play it. without touching once. Actually, actually, I'm not good at this. So, but I will practice it and I will call my friend and we will challenge it together. And there you have it. A fun and challenging buzzword game made with our BBrain and codeit. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more robotics projects. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Until that, take care and bye bye.